Hello, students. I'm Shashi Sharma here again. Today, I will give you some tips how to emerge as a topper in your board exams, whether it's 10th or it's 12th. You very well know that exams are approaching, and naturally, some stress or pressure is also there on the students. So, there are certain tips which you can keep in mind to get rid of all this stress. First of all, you need to set a positive mindset. That is important. You should understand that. Then the second is understand the syllabus pattern. Like this time, the pattern is changed. So you should first understand that. You have to improve your writing skills. You can begin your preparations early. Now, as we know that the exams are going to be, it's a rumor or it's a real thing that the exams are going to be in May. So you have still enough time to start your preparation. So for that, you first make a timetable, give equal time to all the subjects. Whether that's up to you, what you want to do first. Now, and secondly, don't try to study for long hours, because then you will get lot of stress and you will not be able to finish your revision because you will feel tired. And try to solve as many sample papers as you can. You can create your own questions from the summaries. Now solve previous year's papers at least 8 to 10. That is important. Now make important notes and note down the mistakes you had made, so that you don't repeat that, and that will enhance your marks also, your thinking, your writing skills, your you can understand what I mean. Now do revisions from time to time. It's not that once you have finished it and then you don't want to continue. See, from once you have finished the book, give some time, a week or so, and again try that. Avoid tensions and focus on your study. Don't take tension at all. Oh, this time the pattern is changed and how I'm going to do. No, forget about it. You do your revision. That is important. And then above all, take healthy food. Take lot of liquid foods and fruits and all that. Stop or avoid rather junk food, as it makes you lazy and lethargic and then you don't feel like. Give some time even for TV watching and all that, or whatever, wherever you find that you can get, you are entertained yourself. You have to refresh yourself. For that matter, you can play video game or something just to refresh, maybe for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, that's it. And do exercise. You can do yoga, you can play games to keep yourself fit and refreshed. That is also important. You can go for a evening walk near your house, because this, due to this coronavirus and all lockdown, we are all under lot of stress. So my suggestion is, don't get stressed. Rather keep yourself take lot of good food, so that your immunity is good. Thank you.